we have the workshop. So the stuff from the mill, when it's cut to size, will come over here. Here you can see a skirting, external skirting with the moulding on it. We've got cornices here with different profiles on. This is all waiting to be picked out for certain jobs. It will get picked out and then it will leave a white or a grey primer on it, depending on the final choice of colour that the client wants the kitchen to be painted. Here we've got carcasses, so wardrobes here where they're putting the lighting channel in. The lighting channel will go in and then the frame will go on the front and then it will go in next door where the doors are hung. Then we come through here into our assembly area, so where we cut all the carcass components over the road, they'll come over here, and then the boxes will be put together, and then they'll wait over here waiting to go into the spray shop. If we need to cut or adjust anything, we have a cross-cut saw and we have a rip saw over here, so we don't need to go back over the road to the bigger machines. Everything can be done here. And then here you'll see various bits and pieces that go with that kitchen. They'll all accumulate here, ready to go into the spray shop where they'll have various finishes put on them. Come through into the spray shop. Stuff's being painted here. Stuff will go into the racks to dry. So here we've got doors, we've got frames, we've got carcasses. So here we have a complete job that will come together. So the carcasses are being lacquered inside. The doors and the frames are having their primer on, and then it will go out to site like that, and then it will be hand painted to the choice of colour on site. Come around here, we can see finished drawer boxes. We can see everything wrapped in corrugated. It's our finished kitchens. That's all ready now to go out to site. Everything's checked over, wrapped up, and then each cupboard will have a number and a code on it. So then we know where it is when it goes to site. And then there'll be various other operations that go on here. So for example, we've got Andy who's hanging doors. You can see in the background, there's lots of tall doors there. That's for a master bedroom that we're doing in solid oak. So here we've got carcasses, we've got bigger, taller doors, and you can see Chris here is hanging those, putting the hinges on. They'll then get fitted out, again checked over by Lucy, wrapped up, ready to go on the van for delivery. This area here, we will generally fit the drawer boxes, so the drawer boxes will have runners put on, and then they're fitted into the carcasses.